and I'm getting ready to take the Avenger on a test drive. I'm not clearing the codes. I'm going to see if they go away, or if that code goes away by itself, but with recognizing that it's got a new brake switch, and it is still on. We'll drive it for a little bit. I may need to initialize or something, or I may have to clear the code. When I first just came on and pressed on the brake, it did feel different. So what I'm going to do is to stop it. Sometimes they take 2 or 3 cycles to clear. Sometimes you have to clear them yourself. And it's still on. So here we will clear the code. So I'm going to my scanner here. And for this particular car, you've got to turn it off, turn it back to on. The race was successful. Let's see if it comes back. Okay. It is gone right now. We'll drive it for a little bit and see what happens. Might break some. I just want to confirm that it's going to stay gone. So I'm going to stop up here, flip around, turn the engine off, power cycle it real quick, take the key out. You know, open the door too. Sometimes I need that. So I'll start it back up. Okay. Not appeared back. So it is still gone. I'm going to check the scanner again. Let's make sure there's no code pending or anything. Okay, so on here, this is showing a permanent code, which you'll note that there is no check engine light on. This permanent code is one that is stored in the system and will only be cleared after several miles. Actually, a lot of miles. I've read up to some cars can be a couple hundred miles, or a certain number of turning it on and off for it to completely clear. So that's why sometimes after you fix something with an advanced scanner, it'll still show you that there is a stored code on there. So it's good. It would come back and say current code if something was showing on there. Oh, I need to check and make sure the cruise still works. Or the cruise works, because that's what our main problem was. Yep, cruise control is working again. So I'm going to call that a success. Go ahead and turn the cruise off, and be sure to like and subscribe, and that keeps me motivated to keep making more videos.